Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Spark. Chevy Spark, Chevrolet's first mini car, offers effortless driving on congested highways and roads with excellent fuel economy. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, trip computer, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, brake assist, tachometer, overhead console. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.